Let's be honest, when you hear the word cheap SUV, your brain instantly whispers, "Oh, great, another money pit on wheels." But what if I told you that some of the cheapest SUVs on the market aren't just affordable, they're shockingly reliable? Cars that run for hundreds of thousands of miles with barely a complaint, while others break down the moment your warranty expires. See, most people assume cheap means low quality. That's the psychological trap automakers want you to fall into, so you'll overspend on fancy trims and shiny badges that don't actually last. But the truth? There are a handful of SUVs out there built like tanks, quiet, strong, and designed to survive brutal conditions without draining your wallet. In this video, we're not talking about the popular models that marketing departments want you to love. We're talking about the hidden workhorses, SUVs, that deliver everything you need: safety, dependability, and power, all without that painful monthly payment. By the end of this video, you'll realize that reliability isn't a luxury, it's a smart decision. And if you ignore these 5 SUVs, you might just pay the price for believing the myth that cheap means bad. 1. Toyota RAV4, 2013 to 2018 models. The Toyota RAV4 is the quiet killer of the SUV world. It doesn't shout for attention. It just keeps running when everything else breaks. The 2.5-liter engine is nearly indestructible. Maintenance is cheap, and it's known to easily cross 300,000 miles with barely any issues. It's not flashy, it's not loud, it's just smart. If you want an SUV that never betrays you, this is it. 2. Honda CR-V, 2012 to 2016 models. The Honda CR-V is reliability in its purest form. It doesn't try to impress, it just works. These models have some of the smoothest engines ever made, transmissions that refuse to quit, and suspension that still feels refined after a decade. This SUV doesn't need attention because it already has loyalty. It's built to quietly outlive everything else in your garage. 3. Mazda CX-5, 2014 to 2018 models. The Mazda CX-5 is proof that cheap doesn't mean boring. It's sharp, elegant, and incredibly well built. Mazda's Skyactiv engine design delivers strong performance with amazing fuel efficiency, and it's one of the few SUVs that still feels brand new after years of driving. It's stylish, dependable, and secretly one of the smartest purchases you'll ever make. 4. Hyundai Tucson, 2016 to 2019 models. The Hyundai Tucson used to be ignored, but not anymore. Hyundai completely rebuilt its reputation, and these models are surprisingly solid. The engines are durable, the interiors age beautifully, and repairs cost far less than competitors. It's the underdog SUV that quietly delivers the reliability everyone else promises but rarely achieves. 5. Subaru Forester, 2014 to 2018 models. The Subaru Forester is built for people who think long-term. Its legendary all-wheel drive, strong boxer engine, and rugged build make it a tank disguised as a family SUV. It handles snow, rain, and dirt roads without complaint, and it keeps going year after year. It's not about luxury, it's about trust. The Forester is the SUV you buy once and keep for life. You know, it's funny. People spend thousands chasing new, fancy SUVs. But the truth is, reliability doesn't come with a big price tag. It comes with wisdom. It comes with knowing which machines are built to last and which ones are built just to impress. These 5 SUVs prove one thing: real quality doesn't need attention. It earns respect quietly, year after year. So now I have to ask you, which one do you trust? Have you ever owned any of these SUVs? Did it actually last the way everyone claims? Or did it surprise you in a bad way? Because here's the truth. Some people swear by their old RAV4s and CRVs, while others think the newer ones have lost their magic. And then there are those rare ones who've driven a Forester through snowstorms, mud, and chaos. And it just kept going. I want to hear your story. Which SUV never gave up on you? Which one made you swear you'd never buy that brand again? Drop it in the comments. Your experience might be the one that helps someone avoid a $20,000 mistake. Because in the end, cars come and go, but reliability? That's something people remember forever.